How to recover TikTok streak. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. To recover the TikTok streak, first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application. Now make sure that you have your date and time set for the time zone that you are currently in. So just scroll down and tap on additional settings and then tap on date and time and set your date and time automatically, or you can set your time zone automatically. As you do that, you can just go back and then launch the TikTok application on your device. Then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now tap on settings and privacy and then scroll down to the very end where you can see the option report a problem. So tap on report a problem, and as you do that, you'll be able to see a new page where you can see different option of if you're facing a problem. So just scroll down to the very end, you can see the option of chat with us. So tap on it and just you can have a chat with TikTok help desk where you can just mention that you have lost a TikTok streak because you went somewhere and you have you know lost a TikTok streak with certain person. So if you can help, please help recover the TikTok streak, and the TikTok help desk will help you accordingly. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.